Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your carrier voicemail is active. This matters because Android uses carrier service for basic voicemail. Once confirmed, make sure you know your phone number and any account PIN. Carriers often require it. Now open the phone app and tap the menu or settings. This is where Android links to voicemail settings. You do this first to avoid dead ends. If your app asks for permission to use phone or voicemail, allow it now so the next steps proceed without interruption. Next, go into voicemail or voicemail settings inside the phone app. This is where you configure delivery and greeting options. If your device supports visual voicemail, enable it for transcripts and easier playback. Visual voicemail uses data, so be aware of your plan. Enter the carrier voicemail number if the app doesn't auto-provision. This number forwards missed calls. Also set your greeting and notification preferences, because that determines what callers hear and how you know messages arrived. Finally, test voicemail by calling your number from another phone and leaving a message. This confirms routing and greeting. Once done, open your voicemail inbox, play the message, and verify the greeting played correctly. If visual voicemail is active, also check the transcript. If you don't get a message, restart your phone and recheck app permissions for phone and storage. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and the correct voicemail number. They can reset the service on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.